Hi scholars! Here is how you can easily submit your class schedule for your deliverables. Let's get started. Step 1. You'll need to access either an unofficial transcript or a class schedule. These can be found by visiting your student portal on your college website. Once you have accessed your schedule, you'll need to verify that the following items are listed. First, make sure that the correct term is listed on the schedule. This will be either the fall or spring term. If you are unsure of the term being requested, you may reference the email sent on behalf of one teacher regarding deliverables. Next, make sure that the classes appear as enrolled, not waitlisted, and not scheduled to enroll. The classes must appear as enrolled. Lastly, ensure that the number of units enrolled for the semester is equivalent to your university's minimum required units for a full-time student. It is important that all of these details are listed in order for you to receive credit for your term deliverables. Step 3. Screenshot your schedule and save it as a document. Be sure to rename in the following format: last name, first name, CS, and then the year. Once you have saved and renamed your document, you may upload it using the Dropbox link provided by one future team member via email. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out to us if you need any further assistance.